All right, so here's the newest update with this immigration policy that President Biden is discussing. So let's do a quick overview to see exactly what that means. So in this video, we're going to discuss what that is, what does it do, who can apply for it, when does it start, and what can you do. So let's start. So the president is using his executive authority to get parole in place for many people who have been here a specific time, which I'll go into in just a moment. So that basically means that if you are here in the United States, if you're eligible for this process, then that will give you a legal entry into the United States without having to depart the United States. So the whole purpose of this is for the families to stay together, because sometimes there are some process that requires immigrants to leave the United States and then come back. And immigration has had this authority for many years. They do this for the military and other programs. So now they're expanding it to include a lot more people. So again, what does it do? It will give people a legal entry. So therefore, if you have a legal entry and you're married to a U.S. citizen, then you will be eligible to adjust here in the United States without having to leave. So who can apply? According to the information that they have released, you have to be present in the United States, meaning you have to be here without having been paroled or a legal entry. You have to have 10 years of physical presence starting from June 17 of 2014 to June 17, 2024 for proof for 10 years. Also, you have to have been married already as of June 17, 2024. This means if you're not married, can you get married now? Well, yes, but it will not, according to the rules, it will not protect you or unless something changes. But if everything remains the same, you had to be married as of June 17, 2024. Also, it appears that they're really looking at the criminal history, so no disqualifying criminal history. What does that mean? At the moment, it's unclear. Because it all depends exactly what we're looking for, immigration is looking for. There are different criminal cases that may disqualify you, it may affect, it may not. So right now that portion is still a little unclear what exactly that means. Also, immigration is going to be cracking down on fraud. So if you don't qualify, you might get in trouble if you're applying for this and you're trying to make yourself qualify. So be careful about that. When does it start? There is no official start date yet. It's just the announcement. Usually immigration will give more information as the time comes. So we will know whenever immigration lets us know. So can you apply for it now? No. When? To be determined. So what should you do in the meantime? The only thing you can do right now is gather documents for the physical presence for those 10 years. So that can be school records, medical records, employment records, bills, utility, lease agreements, bank statements, even internet bills, phone bills, anything that shows the 10 years. How much do we need? It can be like DACA, and they might require almost every single month. Or we might be able to satisfy that with a specific number of documents. We don't know just yet. You can also request a copy of your file. If you've had an immigration attorney, you can request a copy. If you're not sure what immigration has on you, you can always request a copy of your file. You can, if you have criminal history, you can go to the courts and get a court disposition or a clearance record or your police reports if you've been arrested. Also, get a consultation with a lawyer that's licensed here in the United States. And I put little asterisks because right now we only know the information that's in this video. We don't know too much, who's going to qualify, what other requirements will come out. So I'm telling people to hold off just a moment until we have more information as to what this process will be exactly. So wait for more updates. So that's basically the changes are happening in a nutshell. Follow this page if you want to keep updated with more information. In the meantime, you already know what to do. Get those documents and get a consultation. All right, I wish you the best and have a nice day.